All right, so clearly I am dressed to do a skincare routine. I have my headband on to keep my hair out of my face, and I'm wearing less than I usually wear in most of my videos. It's been a while. I did the last skincare routine was an anti-aging morning routine. I did that back in the spring, and since then I've had a lot of requests about the nighttime routine. So I did put that together for you guys today. It is overdue, so here it is for you this evening in this video. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As I said, it has been some time since I did a skincare routine, and I've had lots of requests for a nighttime anti-aging routine. And it's summer in Florida, and it's hot. It's hot most everywhere in the world right now. It doesn't matter whether you're in the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere. So nobody's wanting to slather a whole lot of skincare products unnecessarily on their face. The good news is that this particular routine is a simplified nighttime anti-aging skincare routine based on just the few products that I always recommend that everyone have bare minimum in their skincare routines. Now, of course, I have the video on the morning routine and also on which products everybody should have in the routine. That's these videos right here above my head. I will link to those at the end of this video and down in the video description box, so don't worry about those right now. You can check them out later. Now, this very simple anti-aging routine will give you very powerful results with the fewest products possible. And the first step in any good skincare routine at night is the cleansing step. The nighttime cleansing step is just so important. It's the most important one. If you skip one ever, don't skip that one, because that is the cleansing routine that gets all of the daily pollution, oil, dirt, bacteria, and for those of you who wear makeup, cosmetics, it's what helps us get all of that stuff off of our skin. So we sort of start with a clean slate. Very, very important that you not miss that. A couple of reminders about face washes. If you have normal to dry to combination skin, you want to use a creamy cleanser, a creamy hydrating cleanser. And if you have oily skin or skin that has a propensity to break out, you want to use a clear foaming face wash that has a little bit more of an astringent ingredient to it to help lift out that extra oil. Neither one of these should ever strip all the oil from your skin. Obviously, if you have dry skin, that's a problem. If you have oily skin, it's a problem because it makes your skin produce more oil. I will put some suggestions down for cleansers in the video description box for you to check out for both of these skin types. But I just wanted to mention that cleansing is so important. I can't not talk about it before we move on. Okay, so the focus of your nighttime anti-aging skincare routine should always be to hydrate and repair versus the daytime skincare routines, which are more about hydration, of course, but protecting the skin with things like sunscreen against sun damage and vitamin C serums against oxidation of the skin through our own processes and, again, pollutants in the air. So daytime is more about protection and nighttime is more about repair. That said, the first ingredient you should always consider to keep in your skincare routine and use is a peptide formulation. Now, peptides are very, very important because they are chain amino acids, basically proteins, that the skin already makes, but we lose the ability to make them as we get older. Their job in the skin, or their role in skin health, is to help boost collagen production and support elastin, both of which give you skin firmness from the inside out and help combat fine lines and wrinkles. So very, very important. Great serums out there. There are many of them. The one that I use most often is the Inky List Collagen Booster. And the reason for that is it's a multi-peptide formulation. And multi-peptide formulations or tripeptide formulations are the best because, of course, they give you more amino acids for your skin. These water-soluble serums are so light, you just pat them on after cleansing. Oh, they always smell really good, too. You just pat them on. I like to treat my neck as well and my ears, and then, of course, the backs of my hands with any excess left over. You wait just a moment or so, and they're going to absorb completely. Now, this sets us up for the next important skincare ingredient in our skincare anti-aging arsenal, which is retinol. Now, we talk about retinols on the channel all the time. In fact, I harp on them all the time. And they are a member of the family of retinoids. So retinol, tretinoin, and retinol with an A, things I've been talking about on the channel a lot of late, all do pretty much the same thing for the skin. They help combat sun damage. They help fade dark spots and splotchiness. They help brighten the overall look of the skin, but they go deeper and help your skin cells produce healthier skin cells. And even some of the prescription versions like tretinoin have been shown to remove precancerous skin cells. So really does a lot for your skin. It is an amazing ingredient, one that I always recommend that you have in your skincare routine. Now, the one that I'm going to use for the video today is the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. Now, this is one of their newer products. They have two different retinols. This is an encapsulated retinol. And what that means is that there's technology in the formulation that helps carry the retinol molecules down deeper into the skin before they convert into retinoic acid, which is actually what does the work in your skin. The reason that's important is it makes this a very powerful retinol, but it allows it to be absorbed so it doesn't cause the surface skin irritation that a lot of retinol products have. Now, it doesn't take a whole lot of retinol to go a long way on your skin. About a pearl size will do your entire face. And you want to make sure that you don't get it near the corner of the eye. You can treat your fine lines and wrinkles around your eye, but you don't want it to migrate into the eye or onto the eyelids because it can be very irritating. Now, I use this particular retinol also on my neck, on the backs of my arms and hands. And it does a tremendous job of reversing sun damage, fading out freckles and brown spots, even on my arms and my hands. Retinol is like the super power anti-aging ingredient. Now, as you can see, my skin turned a little bit pink when I applied the retinol. Perfectly normal, it usually fades in just a few moments. One thing to note though, when you're using this product or any retinol on your neck area, you need to really monitor that for any extra dryness, patchiness, scaliness, or itchiness, because neck skin is very, very sensitive to skincare products, even the ones you use on your face. So it's really best to start with retinol if you have not done that before, every other night for the first week, and then move up to every night. Now, if you're new to retinol, this is a really great product to use. And I have a really great video on all the different types of retinol, the strengths, how you should use them, who they're for. That's this video right here, which I will also link to below in the video description box for you. I will also include links to all these products that are, there's not very many, 4 products that I'm talking about in today's video down below, so you can check all of that out when we're done talking today. So we've cleansed our skin, we've got our peptides on, we've got our retinol on. Next, it's really important to talk about skin hydration overnight. Again, your skin has an overnight repair cycle that's very, very important that we want to take advantage of. That's why we do this stuff at night to help it repair. Moisture applied in the form of a hyaluronic acid moisturizer can help not only protect the moisture that's in your skin, but it also helps these ingredients work better. Now, the moisturizer that I talk about on the channel is good for all skin types. They have 2 versions, and that's Neutrogena Hydro Boost. It's a hyaluronic acid moisturizer. It's oil-free. This particular version is the one for extra dry skin, which is what I like to use. It is also fragrance-free, so you're not going to have any irritation. For some people that are very, very sensitive to fragrance, the regular version does have a little bit of fragrance to it, and it can be bothersome. So the extra dry skin version is really great. Again, it doesn't take much of this product to go a long way on your skin. You would apply it and let it absorb. Now, what if you have crow's feet and crepey skin around the eyes? Well, remember I said that you shouldn't use a retinol moisturizer on your eyelids because it can be very irritating. Well, there are specially formulated products out there to help with this. Now, not everybody needs an eye cream. It really is a personal preference. It can give you a good dose of retinol and moisture if you have crepey eyelids, droopy eyelids, or a lot of lines and wrinkles around the eyes. It can be very helpful. One of the products that I like to recommend is Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Eye Cream or Serum. Those work very, very well for this purpose. They are formulated especially for the eye area, including niacinamide and vitamin E to buffer that formulation. So these 4 steps: these 4 products, most of which are well under $20, are not only inexpensive, but they are super powerful ingredient-driven products that I trust and have tested, and they will work very well for all of you. And the other great thing is it takes less than 10 minutes to do this skincare routine. Now, I hope this video today has been helpful on giving you a very simplified but super powered nighttime anti-aging skincare routine. It's the basic ones I use even when I'm testing other products. I switch things out, but let's keep nighttime simple. It's better for your skin. It gives it the ability to rest and repair, and you're going to wake up looking more youthful, and your skin's going to look a lot healthier. Now, the video was helpful. Please let me know in the comments below, and also let me know what other products that you use in your nighttime skincare routine that give you great results, because I might do a video on those. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. You're amazing. I love you guys, and I'll see you over on the next video.